Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Okay, so fact check. If you put your saliva on the seed of an edible plant and then place it in the soil, something miraculous happens. The plant and fruits supposedly grow with healing properties. Truth is, no, the science fact mentioned in the image is not accurate. It actually makes several claims that are not supported by scientific evidence. Let's break down the claims and, why they're incorrect. First, plants have superintelligence. While plants do exhibit complex behaviors and adapt to their environment, attributing superintelligence in the human sense is not scientifically accurate. They respond to stimuli and have intricate biological processes, but not consciousness or intelligence as we understand it. Next, if you put your saliva on the seed of an edible plant and then place it in the soil, something miraculous happens. There's just no scientific basis for saliva causing a miraculous change in a seed's growth or the resulting plant's nutritional value. Saliva mainly contains water, enzymes like amylase, which breaks down starches, and some electrolytes. These components don't act as a magical growth stimulant or genetic modifier for plants. Another claim is, the seed absorbs your saliva. It begins to read your DNA and structure its own genetic blueprint to be a superfood based on any deficiencies or requirements that your DNA is signaling. This is, entirely false. Seeds do not read human DNA, nor can they alter their own genetic blueprint based on a human's nutritional deficiencies. A plant's genetic makeup, its DNA, is determined by its parent plants and is fixed. While environmental factors can influence a plant's growth and nutrient content to some extent, human saliva and DNA have no mechanism to genetically reprogram a seed or plant to become a superfood tailored to an individual's needs. Finally, there's the claim that this powerful ancient connection between humans and seeds is not acknowledged by mainstream academia due to the potential power it could have in agriculture if applied on a grand scale. This kind of statement often pops up with pseudoscientific claims. The reason mainstream academia doesn't acknowledge it is simply because there's no credible scientific evidence to support it. If such a powerful and easily applicable method existed, it would be thoroughly researched and honestly quickly adopted by the agricultural community due to its immense benefits. So in summary, the claims in the image about saliva influencing plant genetics and creating superfoods are a form of misinformation and lack any scientific foundation. Plant science and genetics are complex fields, and plant growth is governed by well-understood biological processes, not by human bodily fluids interacting with their DNA.